Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. In this video, this first week of Jan, I'm going to show you how to prepare a beautiful octopus dish. Just the simple octopus. For some people, I find this very tricky. A lot of people are asking me, wow, how you do this? All that boiling method and this to get it tender or bashing. None of that. It's very simple, it's very easy, and this is the best recipe I ever came across. So please watch it, share it, like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you just after this. Let's go. Alright, first thing first, we have a beautiful octopus, nice and fresh, about a kilo here. Give it a good rinse, make sure you remove all the skin and wash it up. Fresh octopus can be a bit smeary. Make sure you remove that beak as well. In a very large saucepan or sauce pot, bring some olive oil. Don't hesitate with the olive oil. About 150 ml, 200 ml, easy. It needs to be very hot. First of all, put the octopus on that very hot oil on the tentacle side. Leave it for a minute. As you see the bubbles coming out through it, the color changes slowly and up. We will lift it and cook it for another minute and a half to the other side. Look at this beautiful thing. Not a lie. As I said before, I was not a fan of octopus, never been a fan, but this is just the best. Easy, simple, so tender and so much flavor. Chuck in there big pieces, large pieces of ginger, cut 2 heads of garlic in half, chuck them in there as well, whilst it's still coloring on the other side. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius. Put a lid on it, chuck it in the oven, close the door, put the timer, and an hour later, here it is. This is your braised octopus. Look at how tender this is. The knife just goes through it like butter in summer. Beautiful flavor of the garlic and ginger. You could add other spices, you can make it your own. And from here, cool it down, grill it, pickle it, and that's it. Be happy, enjoy it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Enjoy. Bon appetit. How easy is that? This is just the best octopus recipe. So tender, full of little flavor. That ginger and garlic is just mwah, beautiful. So I don't want to do the Italian because there's nothing Italian about it. So try it, really try it. Now, what you can do with it, you can marinate it, preserve it, olive oil, vinegar. You can pickle it, water, sugar, vinegar. You can also grill it. It's perfect for your salad, your summer coming up, or just to nibble. Put it on a platter. People will love it. Yourself and all your invitees, they will all ask for the recipe. And don't share it. Just send them to me. See you later. Bye. Happy New Year again. All the best wishes, be healthy and keep cooking.